हेलो। तो आज हम शुरू करने वाले हैं क्लास 7 का द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक से चैप्टर 7 व्हाट इज़ डेमोक्रेसी का क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स। तो फर्स्ट है इंडिया इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट एंड अमेरिका इज़ द लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी। तो फॉल्स हो जाएगा क्योंकि इंडिया जो है लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी है और अमेरिका जो है ओल्डेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी है। दूसरा है कि रिप्रेजेंटेटिव मेक्स डिसीजन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ पब्लिक हु वोटेड फॉर देम। ट्रू। थर्ड वन इज ऑल द कंट्रीज हैव डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी। फॉल्स क्योंकि ओनली 167 कंट्री इज डेमोक्रेसी। द प्रोसेस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी स्टेज सेम फॉर ईच town and village. True. And 167 out of 193 country are democracy. True. Next question number B. Read this sentence and answer the question with a reference of context. People could vote directly for every decision or elect representative who vote on their behalf. The first would be called direct democracy and the second would be representative democracy. Question number A. What is a direct democracy? Direct democracy is a system where people vote and direct for every decision. How is it different for representative democracy? In a direct democracy, people vote for decision behalf of, whereas in a representative democracy, people elect a representative who vote for on their behalf. Which one of two would you think is more efficient? The representative democracy is more efficient because it is more practical for the larger country. Answer these questions briefly. Why is it more practical for the larger country to adopt representative democracy instead of direct democracy? It is more practical because it is logistically challenging for all the citizens to vote on every single issue in a large country. Give an example of direct democracy from the passage. Switzerland. Name two countries mentioned in the passage as example of representative democracy. India and United States. How does democracy ensure fair decision making for common people? Democracy ensures their decision making by giving everyone a voice in how the country is run, either directly or through elected representative.